Okay, now let's begin our second questions. I took these questions from our textbook, question number 79, which is about the find the equations of a tangent line. Now let's see here. We have y is equal to 4x square plus 5x plus 6. 4x square plus 5x plus 6. This is our equations. And what we have to do that, find an equation of the tangent line to the curve at the indicated point. And the indicated point is given here 1 comma 15, that is the value of x is 1 and the value of y is 15. For this, first of all, we have to find out the first derivative, that is y prime is equal to 4 2s are 8 and x 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 is here by using the power rule, plus here is power 1. 5 ones are 5 and x to power 0 is 1, so not need to write here, and the derivative of this constant 6 is 0. So y prime is equal to 8x plus 5. This is the first derivative of the given equations. So we can rewrite it as y prime, that is dy over dx. Okay, now we have to test the value of this first derivative. We have to test the value of this first derivative 8.1 because the curve at the indicated point is 1 comma 15. So putting here 1, the value of this y prime is 8 into 1 plus 5 is equal to 13. What does it mean? Or what does it mean, the value of 13? We say the slope of this curve, slope, which is represented by symbolically m is equal to 13. Okay, the slope of this line is 13. Now we have to find the equation. Of tangent line. So for that, what we need to do? We need to do. We need to do. We need to do. Represent the equation form. That is, we have equation form y minus y1 is equal to slope x minus x1. This is the equation form, and y minus y1 is y1 we can see here, this is x1 and this 15 is y1. Okay, so y1 is here 15 is equal to slope we found here, that is 13. Slope is 13 and x minus x1. What is the value of x1? X1 is here, we can see x1 is 1. Okay, so finally the equation, when you rearrange this equation, then you will have y is equal to 13x plus 2. Now what does it mean? Okay, this is the answer. Obviously the equation of the tangent line is y is equal to 13 plus 3x. This is the equation of tangent. This is the equation of tangent. What does it mean? That means now when we see at a graph, this is x-axis positive origin value, and this is the vertical axis positive. When we see might be the parabola. Why I said parabola? Because here the equation's degree, highest degree is 2. Might be the parabola is here. And the function is fx is equal to 4x square plus 5x plus 6. This equation represent this parabola. Okay, here is 1, and now let's say here is 15. Here is a point which is 1 comma 15, and and the line is tangent line is passes through from this tangent line is passes through from this point. Tangent line passes through from this 115. Tangent line passes through from this 115, and we have to find out the equation of this tangent line. What can be the equation of this tangent line? This is the tangent line, TANGENT, tangent line. And the equation of this tangent line we found here, that is y is equal to 13 plus 2. Okay, done. Now let's see this figure in our GeoGebra. I have already opened here GeoGebra. First of all, the equation which is given to us is y is equal to 4x 4x square 4x square plus 4x square plus 5x plus 5x plus 6. We can see here this is our parabola. This is our parabola, and the first derivative which we have y prime is equal to 8x plus 5 for the slope. First derivative prime y prime is equal to 8x plus 5. Okay, this is the y prime, and we have a slope 13, we as we calculated before, and we already determined the equation of that tangent line. Now okay, now let's remove it. Here is a coordinate point which is 1 comma 15. First of all, now let's fix that point 1 comma 15. Okay, 1 comma 15. Here is 1 comma 15. 1 comma 15. Now let's value this is 1 comma 15. Okay, this is the point, any point that is 1 comma 15 which is lies in the parabola. Now what we have to do, we have to pass a line y is equal to 13 plus 2x. We have to pass a line from 1 comma 15. Now let's see this line will pass through 1 comma 15 or not. So another line we have y is equal to, or g is equal to 13x plus 2. Okay, okay, we can see here this line is passes through from 1 comma 15. We can see here the black line is the black inked line is the parabola. Okay, now let's make it different color. Different color, which color? Okay, red color. Okay, okay. When we go closer and closer, what we can see here, closer and closer, closer and closer, closer and closer, closer and closer. Did we see any closer and closer? Okay, we see here when we go closer and closer. Okay. Okay, whatever, here is a tangent line. Here is a tangent line. It is very, this is very closer asymptote, very closer with that the parabola. We can I think it takes time, but we can see here very clearly. mm, but we can see here very clearly. Okay. uh, okay, we can see here very clearly. uh, yes, from here you can see, from here. Yeah, this line, these two lines. Okay, these two line, what is the name of this line? Blue line, blue line. um, yeah, what is the name of this blue line? Fx is equal to 13 plus, fx is equal to 13 plus 2. Okay, this is the line which we required, and this line in passes through from this tangent point A. That's all. Hope you understood. Thank you.